How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So I want to break down this up-and-coming fintech company with you guys today that I've been diving deep into that I think has a lot of potential, called Defi Technologies. And guys, listen, this company is taking the decentralized finance and Web3 sectors by storm, and I think you guys need to watch them. So I want to break down the charts very quickly, and most importantly, I want to go over what this company does and why I'm watching them and why I'm very excited about Defi Technologies. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and check out the link down below if you want me to send my top 3 stocks directly to your inbox every single Monday morning for free. Check it out. All you guys have to do is drop your name and your email address. I appreciate you all for tuning in as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it and talk about Defi Technology. So again, this is an up-and-coming fintech company that's in the decentralized finance and Web3 space. And guys, look at how good the stock chart looks. I mean, this thing was at 10-15 cents in November, and by the beginning of 2024, we were right around 40-50 cents, and then we chopped around a bit at that point for a couple of months, and then it just took off like a rocket ship in the middle of May heading into June. It got all the way up to about $2.50 by the middle of June. Then it pulled back after getting pretty overbought, right? This is normal stock market activity. And look at this. We actually consolidated a bit for a couple of weeks in the low mid $1 range. You guys see that? And now we're pushing into the mid-dollar range, and this looks like potentially it could be making another big move in the short term here. Like I said, this chart looks really, really good, and what makes it even better, guys, is the fundamentals that back the company, right? So when you see a stock going up, it typically doesn't just go up for no reason, right? There are reasons why stocks go up, and they deal with fundamentals, and let me tell you guys, this company, this stock, the fundamentals are very, very strong. So let's break down a bit what this company does, why I'm excited, why I'm watching them. So guys, stick on throughout this video. Let's get into it. So Defi Technologies has their hand in a couple of different businesses, right? But the main one that I want to focus on today is their wholly owned subsidiary called Valor, right? We're going to break down what this does and why I'm very excited, right? So in general, Defi Technologies gives you institutional grade exposure to digital assets through ETPs, which we'll talk about a lot. We'll talk a lot about ETPs in this video, and they also give you exposure through strategic ventures, right? Critical Web3 infrastructure, and they do this simply and securely via your brokerage account, right? So let me actually show you guys what Valor Asset Management is. Again, what I'm very excited about, and this is their wholly owned subsidiary. So Valor Asset Management enables retail and institutional investors to gain exposure to digital assets and decentralized finance simply and securely. And Valor is an issuer of ETPs, also known as exchange-traded products, tracking the performance of digital assets with listings across leading European stock exchanges, including Euronext, which covers Paris and Amsterdam. We have the Frankfurt Stock Market Exchange, and of course, Nordic Growth Market, right? And this part of their business, as you guys will see later in the video, is growing very, very quickly, which is why I'm super excited about Defi Technologies. Now, why Defi Technologies? You might be asking, why this company? Well, the main thing that they do, guys, is they give traditional investors, they allow them to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of digital assets across the decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, hence the name Defi Technologies, and Web3 sector. They capture the upside in the explosive growth of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana and other Web3 protocols via regulated equity instruments, right? And get this, guys, Defi Technologies is the only publicly traded company built to give investors direct exposure to these nascent markets in a regulated and secure manner. That's very important. Regulated and secure manner, which a lot of people, when they think crypto, they get a bit nervous. But DeFi Technologies, again, they do this in a regulated and secured manner. They give you direct exposure to things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the list goes on, right? And when it comes to DeFi making money, they have an aggressive revenue model. They utilize multiple income streams such as trading and management fees, you guys can see, as well as staking, lending earnings, and strategic partnerships within the digital asset and DeFi sectors to maximize their revenue generation. And they have diversified digital asset exposure. Bitcoin accounts for only 51% of the digital asset market, and DeFi Technologies offers investors broader exposure beyond Bitcoin, including significant opportunities in the decentralized finance and Web3 sectors, which are typically inaccessible through public markets, which makes them very, very interesting, right? And this approach enables qualified investors to tap into the extensive $2.4 trillion sector comprehensively, which is huge. So you might be like, okay, DeFi Technologies, they have Valor Asset Management. Now, why ETPs? Why exchange traded products? Well, ETPs provide investors with several benefits over buying crypto directly, right? So let's take a look at some of these benefits. You guys can see diversity's number one. Valor's ETPs provide investors with unparalleled access to single digital assets and comprehensive digital asset indexes through single trades. And of course, number two, transparency, right? Valor's ETPs have a clear and consistent link between their price and the price of the underlyings. And number three, very important, security. Valor's ETPs provide trusted access to digital asset exposure through regulated exchanges and brokers, with the underlyings 100% hedged at all times. Very important. And number four, we have simplicity. Valor's ETPs provide easy access to the latest digital assets without the need to set up exchange accounts and digital wallets. That makes it very, very simple, which with crypto, let's be honest, guys, it does seem complicated on the outside before you actually get into it. With Web3, with, DeFi, all of this stuff seems very complicated. So as simple as, if a company can make it very simple, that's good. The simpler, the better, right? And their low fees at number five are very important. Valor's ETPs provide competitive management fees with no extra hidden costs. Very important. So now you get a better idea of why ETPs, why exchange traded products. And like I said, guys, this is the first publicly traded company doing what they're doing. So let's get a little bit deeper into how they actually make money. What are their fees looking like? What's the structure looking like? So we can see here, like I said, Valor is the first publicly traded company to provide exposure to these assets, right? And once they actually can attract meaningful capital into their ETPs, that'll be a game changer, right, as the company continues to grow. And because Valor is holding crypto native assets in these ETPs, they're able to generate higher fee revenue from these assets, right? Which is very good. Instead of charging less than 50 basis points, as we are seeing for the Bitcoin ETFs in America for the most part, Valor charges 1.5% or higher to manage the more esoteric assets, right? And additionally, many of the assets give Valor the ability to generate yield from staking, like we covered earlier, or other crypto native revenue opportunities. And lastly, Valor periodically engages in the market making for these assets, which can generate additional fees. And by the calculation from this article, Valor's average fee generation on their assets under management, which we'll talk more about their assets under management in a second here, is approximately 7.2%. And that is a monster number for the asset management industry, pretty much unheard of. So very recently, in the middle of July, we got a corporate update from DeFi Technologies. You guys can see their wholly owned subsidiary Valor, which we've been talking about, reported assets under management of 700 million Canadian dollars, or about 512 million US dollars, which is up 37% this fiscal year. Very, very good growth there, guys. And you can see here, if I come down a little bit, this growth that we're seeing is further bolstered by Valor's continued month-over-month strong net inflows of around $5 million during June, demonstrating robust investor confidence and continued demand for Valor's ETP products despite the recent downturn in digital asset markets. And there's not really a crazy downturn. I mean, guys, it was just a simple pullback, and now we're starting to recover already. And what makes Defi Technologies even more attractive is their strong financial position. Current cash balance is approximately $50 million, more like $49 million, but right around there. And current loans payable stand at approximately 13 million US dollars. And the company, get this, guys, also purchased and holds 110 Bitcoin as part of their treasury strategy. I like that. And listen to this, guys. One of Valor's newest ETPs, Valor Bitcoin Staking, you guys can see right here, led all ETPs in inflows with around 1.7 million US dollars in net inflow. And this ETP, the world's first and only Bitcoin ETP that generates yield for investors, showcases Valor's innovative approach by offering exposure to Bitcoin while providing a 5.65% yield, all without the need to sell or trade Bitcoin. So you can see how they're kind of a pioneer in this space, guys. They're the first to do it, to do what they're doing as a publicly traded company. This is very interesting stuff. And to make things even better, guys, DeFi just reported that their trading desk, which is a newer business called DeFi Alpha, has generated an additional 14.1 million US dollars in arbitrage trading. And I'm very excited to see how this continues to grow for the company, as again, it is a newer business, a newer income stream for DeFi. You guys can see here that Defi Technologies, DeFi Alpha, their specialized arbitrage trading desk, like I said, generated $14.1 million US dollars in Q3 through low-risk arbitrage trades, contributing to a total of $97.5 million US dollars in cash and digital asset equivalents in 2024. And what's crazy is that DeFi Technologies is planning to buy back up to 26.99 million shares of stock, although the actual number of common shares that may be purchased under the NCIB and the exact timing of such purchases will be determined by the company. But whenever you're seeing a company buy back stock, that's a good sign that they think the stock's undervalued. They want to put money kind of where their mouth is, right? So that's very good that we're seeing that out of DeFi. And check this out, guys. A lot of firms, a lot of analysts out there are actually bullish on DeFi Technologies. We can see here Benchmark initiated a buy rating recently with a $2.25 price target. And Zacks Small Cap Research, I'm sure you guys have heard of them, right? They're bullish. They have a buy rating and a $3 price target on the stock, right? And obviously we don't have enough time to dive too deep into these reports, but I'll leave them all linked down below, guys, for you to do deeper research on these so you can see and learn more about DeFi Technologies, right? So if you're interested, guys, in cryptocurrency, decentralized finance, and this entire movement, right, Web3, all of that, this company is very much worth watching. Again, they trade over the counter under ticker symbol DEFTF. And on the Canadian markets, they trade under ticker symbol DeFi, DEFI. So guys, make sure to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to go buy the stock. I'm just putting it on your radar as they're growing. Very interesting company. They're kind of a pioneer in the space that they're in. So check them out, DeFi Technologies. Again, I'll leave all the info down below. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.